Hey guys, here are the weekly Figma tips and tricks that you can do to enhance your design. Let's learn about how to create 3D shapes in Figma. So, first of all, let's create an ellipse. Let's give it a color. Let's say a gradient color of, let's keep it red. And let's copy the same color to the other side. And then we can change that. Let's drag it a little bit down. Then we create some sort of a gradient. We take the pen tool and let's create some kind of a shape with the help of the pen tool. Yes, now we'll do a simple thing, that is use a plugin called blend. Inside the plugin, the object will pick this as our object and blend path will select vector as our path. Now number of copies, let's change it to 1,000 and just wait for the magic to happen. Here we go. We get our 3D shape. We are just simply copying each of these strokes a lot of times and then we create some sort of a 3D pattern. If the gradient were a little bit more better, then this would look even better. But as you can see on the left hand side layers, there are a lot of copies. All 1,000 copies of this ellipse have been formed to go along this layer, this path that we have created. Now this is not healthy for your computer if you plan on doing this for multiple colors or multiple strats, right? This is basically used in particle effects and small particles where you have to create those. So what I suggest is, because this creates a frame out of this, you select this frame and export that frame in, let's say, a PNG or a SVG, so that you can use this again and again without worrying about your system load. So yes, that was it for today. Thank you.